The quality of life and sustainability of urban areas, ranging from small villages to large cities, are significantly influenced by the reliable supply of utility services and efficient waste disposal facilitated through underground systems. Trenchless technologies are increasingly pivotal in ensuring the effective and sustainable maintenance and expansion of these networks to meet present and future needs. To address this challenge, UNITRACC offers state-of-the-art e-learning solutions in the field of sewer and pipeline construction, operation, and maintenance. Engineers and technicians receive flexible, engaging online training to stay abreast with the latest developments in trenchless and open-cut technologies. As a web-based knowledge platform for underground construction, UNITRACC offers online courses and a comprehensive package of 24/7 accessible technical information to support research, instruction, education, and implementation. With over 100 online training modules, the platform provides a wealth of knowledge comprising several thousand pages of technical reference material and more than 30,000 images and videos. Among the resources are technical books covering the rehabilitation and maintenance of drains and sewers, which are widely regarded as standard works in the field. Construction site documentation and virtual tour animations offer practical and engaging insights. A diverse range of multimedia content, meticulously crafted to align with current instructional design principles, and the latest technical regulations and developments help your staff improve. Combat the consequences of skill shortages in your company. Effective and stress-free corporate training facilitates recruiting, onboarding, motivating, and retaining suitable, satisfied, and loyal employees.